Hey, what's going on, everybody? We got a short, sweet little video today. Nothing too exciting. We went to the fabric store. We picked up some black velvet fabric. This is actually the leftovers. I'm recording this after I already did everything. But those of you that know me in real life, my passenger side dash was replaced before I bought the car, and they went ahead and used black vinyl wrap, which I didn't know. I thought it was just a black dash replacement. It had the same, pattern and everything. And come to find out, it was actually black vinyl wrap, and it started chipping when I did my center console. So we went ahead and decided on what we kind of wanted to do with it. And I was honestly just gonna rewrap it black, but then I kind of started thinking of different materials, different looks, and I really like the suede or like flock look. And before we jump into the video, I also have something kind of funny, and some of you guys might think this or not. So the name of my channel is Tyler Steezy, right? So my license plate, T Steez. At least that's what I've always thought, and that's the intentions behind it. T Steez. Well, the other day, somebody came up to me and they asked if my car said testes, and I was so confused. I was like, "What? Like, what'd you say to me?" Like, no. I don't know what the hell you mean. He's like, "Your license plate, testes," and I'm like, "No." And I pulled on the road and carried on, and about a minute later, it hit me. Testes. It's kind of funny. I'm not gonna lie. It's got balls, right? No, but I need some ideas for some new license plates. So if you guys have any cool ideas, 350Z related, drop them in the comments, please, because my birthday is next month, and I am changing this. I don't want anybody to think it says testes, even though it is funny. It is funny, and I'm going to keep this license plate forever. But yeah, I'd like some ideas, some feedback on a new license plate. But yeah, other than that, there's not really a whole lot new, and we're gonna go ahead and get right into the video. Got our headliner adhesive. We're gonna go ahead and do the passenger side dash. Oh god, that was crazy. It looks like spider webs. All right, we let the dash sit all night, and it seems to have held up pretty nicely. There's a couple little loose spots, but like the edges, all these edges get covered anyways. So as long as I can install it, fine, it should be all right. But the top looks good. These edges right here get covered with the vent, which actually I'm going to put back in. I hate that this little stitching popped out there, but the vent's going to go there, so I'm hoping it covers it. But I like it. And then putting it back in should be pretty easy. Just got to pop my center gauge up right there, slide it underneath, pop everything back in, put a couple screws in, and that should be that. So yeah, let's throw a vent in this thing, see what it looks like after. Alright, the vent is in. Looks pretty good. I had to tuck this bottom corner here that white lace that I was talking about, or thread, was showing, but other than that, she looks good. So now we can get her in the car. Putting this back together, one cool thing that I noticed is the Z on this side air vent goes right here, and it actually connects to the door once the door is shut to the actual like vents that are on the door too. It's pretty cool. Yeah, the little things. There we go. Alright, we just got to put a couple of the glass panels on here. Pop this bad boy down low. Put our amazing design cup holder back in. There she is. Throw our shifter back on. Man, there is nothing like working on the plastics in a 20-year-old car. They like to fight you every step of the way. But being said, she's all put back together. Big upgrade, I know. No, but it was time to get rid of the stickers, the dash stickers. My windshield is trash. Alright, that's a lot better. You can actually see now. Danielle's trying to escape now that I'm recording. But yeah, that looks good. Wow, now you can see his reflection. There we go. Also going to go ahead and pull this bad boy off because it's peeling pretty bad. I don't know why. I think we messed it up while painting. And no more sticker. Alright, I'm going to retighten our battery. Or reconnect the battery. And we are basically good to go. Well, that's pretty much going to wrap up the video for today. Nothing too exciting, just a new dash. Got rid of our high school panty dropper sticker that I've had a few uncomfortable comments on. And our anti-social sticker, so we are stickerless now on the dash. I know I didn't really make a before, or like I didn't really start recording the video when I started pulling everything apart. The dash had black vinyl wrap on it, and it was chipping in these corners right here. Both these corners were chipped up pretty hard, and you could see it clear as day. And this corner over here was just all wrinkled to hell. I mean, you can see there's a little wrinkle right here still, but it's 10 times better than what it looked like. It was dry, faded vinyl wrap. So this is a huge upgrade. You might have not really been able to tell from the videos, but it was even a clear as day difference from the driver's side. So I'm not even too upset with like the way it looks now. We got the OEM, you know, leather here, or pleather, whatever the hell it is. And then we went with black suede for the passenger side. I dig it. Danielle digs it. A lot cleaner of a look. Let me know what you guys think. If you've made it this far, please leave a like. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Drop a comment if you want. I know it's not too exciting of a video, but I needed to get something up, you know. And it's just a small little upgrade. I personally think it looks a lot better. And then we pulled the sticker off the side. I mean, that's not really anything, but yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.